Uno, Frozen 2, How to Play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image. The Forces of Nature card is a wild that may be played on any card. When you play a wild Forces of Nature, pick a color that resumes play. Only that color may be played. No player may change the color with a matching number, action, or wild card. Once it's your turn again, then play resumes like normal. At the beginning of the game, if a wild Forces of Nature card is the first card flipped, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any card on it. At the end of the game, each wild Forces of Nature card left in an opponent's hand is worth 50 points.